Hey guys, welcome back to another makeup tutorial video. So today I wanted to do a dark beige summer look. I can't wait for August, but I'm not too excited to close out the summer break because all I like to do is hanging out. I like to hang out, go out, make music, watching TV, posting social media content like posts and videos, especially photos too. I don't know what's gonna happen the day that I go back to classes. So if we're not gonna make any more plans until summer ends, because just like the previous years, my parents did not say anything about that not being allowed to go out once I started to go back to school. I'm pretty sure they won't say anything as long as I stay focused on my schoolwork, focus on my studies, this and that, do what I gotta do for my classes, doing all the schoolwork, and be busy. That's all that matters. As long as I do what I gotta do for school, hopefully my parents will not say anything saying that, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that, while you have the semester going on, especially posting videos, you can't go out doing this, doing that. Also, I remembered, once we're getting closer towards oh my god. Sorry, well, I just want to use the blush. I use this brush to put on my blush. Anyways, as I was saying, once we're getting closer towards the last week of classes, either me or my parents, either my mom or dad, decide for us saying that if, we're not allowed to make any more going out plans until after finals, just to do well on our final exams, of course, final tests, whatever finals we got for our classes. Except back in November of 2025, I told my parents and I made a decision that I don't want to go out anymore until till the end of the semester or after finals. That was like a day after Thanksgiving. I just told him that's on the day of Black Friday. So I said, starting the day that we go back to classes after Thanksgiving break, let's not go out again until after finals and until the end of the semester and until we get final grades, of course. By the way, I already used the colors of beige right here, especially the dark peach pink color. Just to have like a bright beige color. So now I'm gonna go with this palette, and if you can see here, I'm gonna go with this color right here. Hey, it's the camera on the phone right here. So we're gonna do that. By the way, I'm sick and tired of posting videos that late, the tutorials like that, just because I wasted my time doing videos and photo shoots. So once I'm done with my makeup, I'm gonna post the video right away. I'm not gonna wait till later because otherwise date's gonna go by fast. It's gonna be all over. Then I'm not gonna have enough time to edit the video clips and posted the video on one day on my YouTube channel. I think the dark beige color came out that good, so that's good. But it's like a little brighter than that. Alright, so I'm gonna do the eyeliner. Can anyone comment in this video whether I'm doing a good job posting my makeup tutorial videos throughout the years? Because I don't know if anyone said, oh, I love your videos, you're doing a good job, and this and that. By the way, I'm not sure when's the next time I'm gonna hang out with my friends because I gotta make plans with my friends more and to socialize more because, why? Because guess what, guys? My social life, it's becoming more successful now because now I've already found solutions for the past 6 months. Now I'm happy that I got to spend more time with my friends. So I'm not sure when's the next time, but I gotta plan things out before I go back to college for fall 2026 semester, and to do more vlogs, of course. Okay, come back for the final eye look, and I'll do the lips as well. Okay, this is the final eye look. So I put on the fake eyelashes, the ones I'm using yesterday and a few days ago in my previous videos, especially the mascara on the bottom lashes. By the way, the lashes I was wearing right now is this. Also, I curled up my hair in advance before I start the video. Alright, so I'm in a hurry. I'm not going anywhere, but I'm just gonna do the photo shoots here. So I'm gonna do a 410 volcanic lipstick from L'Oreal. This is an orange color. Next, I'm gonna go with this 855 Berry Smoothie lipstick from Revlon. This is like a peach pink color. And lastly, I'm going to go with the 920 Nude Lust lipstick from Maybelline. Like a beige color. And apparently, I'm halfway through this lipstick color. I'm almost running low. Okay, this is the final makeup look. Once again, I did my hair in advance. But stay tuned for the full outfit reveal. Okay guys, this is the final look, and I will repeat this again. I did my hair in advance. I used a curling iron to curl up my hair, so that's cool though. Wearing curly hair. Oh, by the way, I did my bangs as well. I forgot to mention that, but it's good though. I brushed up my bangs in advance before starting this video. Alright, so if you're wondering what outfit I'm wearing, so if you want, I can show it to you. This is the black top. I just bought it from Walmart. This is cool though. It's very soft and unique. I'm wearing black leggings once again. And once again, I'm wearing these strap sandals. The ones I bought. This is from Primark. I bought this since 2019. It's good. Okay guys, so thank you all for watching this today's makeup tutorial video. If you like this video, give this a video a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. I'm going to do my best to post more vlogs in the summer before I go back to school. And I will do more vlogs in the fall, winter, and season. Not just summer, but fall, winter, and spring as well. I'm going to do my best. Alright, so rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.